Hello people, in this video let us look at Louis Pasteur's germ theory of disease, okay. So he has a lot of contributions, but we are focusing on germ theory of disease. So basically what he said was microorganisms cause disease. It is not some spontaneous generation theory. You just don't get the disease because of the crime or sin you committed. It's not some ghost or anything. It is actually a microorganism that is responsible for your disease. Germ theory of disease was given by Louis Pasteur. So earlier people were saying it is because of mal air, noxious air, vapors, because of spontaneous generation, because of crime, sins, etc. But then came what? The germ theory of disease. The Swanneck Experiment. So here you can see dust and microorganisms are trapped. So this liquid will remain sterile for many years. So this is something about the microorganisms are coming in, right? So if they can come in, then the disease happens. If they cannot come in, then it will remain sterile. Then Robert Koch added to all this germ theory of disease. So if they ask you germ theory of disease, don't just write Louis Pasteur. So Louis Pasteur said there is bacteria in the air, okay. And what did Robert Koch say? He said that anthrax was caused by a bacteria. Let's see if it's written here. Yes, anthrax bacilli. Remember, very important. Anthrax was caused by a bacteria, he said. So he confirmed the germ theory of disease. What else is there here? Koch postulates you should write. So basically here, to accept a microorganism as a causative for an infectious disease, you should have 4 criteria. The microorganism should be constantly associated with the lesion. From the lesion, you should be able to isolate this organism in pure culture. Then what you will do, you will take this microorganism from this pure culture, inoculate it into a suitable lab animal, and the same disease must result in that animal. Again, from the animal's lesions, if you should be able to re-isolate the same microorganism. So all these are his postulates. So did you guys understand this germ theory of disease? So in preventive and social medicine exam, if they ask you germ theory of disease, don't write only Louis Pasteur, write Louis Pasteur and then write Robert Koch also, and write his postulates also. 4 postulates you can write, okay. Remember anthrax you can write here. Louis Pasteur, he said bacteria will be is there in the air, microorganisms cause disease, not any spontaneous generation theory, etc. It is germ theory of disease, okay. That's all. We'll meet you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.